Hello and welcome back. Uh, so I'm sorry it's so late, but I'm finally getting the opportunity to make the video. And welcome to my house. I had to leave school because they were locking the doors. So I grabbed my pen, grabbed my pad. Let's do this. And y'all need to thank, I think it was eighth period, because I was just going to do one, but they talked me into doing a couple more. And by the way, this is your worksheet, so freebie. Uh, I worked this one for the majority of classes, and I think I worked that one for the other parts of the classes. So let's work ones I haven't worked for anybody. So let's just take a look at this. We have 28 goes into 230 or 2,324. Okay, let's just start. It's a pattern, right? What is it? Divide, multiply, subtract, and bring it on down and bring it on back, right? So 28 goes into 2. It doesn't. It just does not fit. 28 goes into 23. Nope, too small. Does not fit. 28 into 232. I know this works. Okay. And now let me think about this. 28 is almost 25. That's a quarter. So I know that there's 4 quarters in 100, and I need to get to 200. So let's double it. Let's try 8. 8. 8 times 8, that's 64. So I'm going to write my 4, carry my 60s. 8 times 2 is 16, plus that extra 2 will be 224. And I don't have all of my fancy colors. Ooh, wait. I think I might. And now I'm going to subtract. I have to steal 10. And 4 from 12 is 8. And then everything else is zeros. So that I can bring down my 4. That gives me 84. Now, how many times does this go in? Well, Mr. Holloway told us there wouldn't be any remainders. And I know 3 times 8 is 24, so that's going to match the 4. Let me just try a 3. 3 times 8 is 24. Carry the 2. Get rid of that 6. Carry the 2. 3 times 2 is 6. Add my 2. 8. And now I do my subtraction. What is 84 minus 84? Well, that's 0. So we are done. It is 83. The big numbers do not need to scare you. Okay? This is just the same thing we've been doing. We're just larger numbers. So 77 goes into 7? Nope. 77 goes into 73? No again. 77 goes into 731. Absolutely it does. How many times? Well, 77 times 10 would be 770. That's pretty close. It's a little high. Let's try a 9. 9 times 7. What's that? Oops. Where's my undo? 9 times 7 is 63. I'm going to carry the 6. 9 times 7 again is 63. Add that 6, 69. Okay, so 693. And now I'm going to do my subtraction. I have to borrow from here, leaves a 2 and a 1. And then I've got 3 or 11 minus 3, 11, 11, 10, 9, 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. Yeah, so 8. And then I've got my 2 here, so I need to borrow from here. 9 from 12 is 3, and 6 from 6 is 0. Then I bring down my 5. 385. Okay. 77 goes into 385. Well, if I need a number that multiplied by 7 and ends in 5, that's going to be a 5. So let's try a 5. 5 times 7 is 35. Write my 5. Carry my 3. 5 times 7 is 35, and add the 3, I get 385, and now I subtract, and what do I have? The answer, no remainders. I have a 95. Now, don't be afraid. If you wind up with a remainder on other worksheets, we're just working with decimals, okay? I'm trying to keep things simple right now and give you a way to check your answer. So let's look at this last one. This is the last one we're going to do. This is the pattern. 28 goes into 2, 0 times. 28 goes into 24, 0 times. 28 does go into 240. Well, 28 times 10 would be 280. That's about 40 too much. So I don't think 9 is going to be close like it was up here. I think we're going to need to go with 8. So let's try a 8. 8 times 8, that's 64. Carry the 6. 8 times 2 is 16, plus the 6 is going to be 22. And now I'm going to subtract. So I'm going to steal from there, give it there. 4 from 10, 6. 2 from 3 is 1. Bring down my 8, because 2 from 2 is 0. Okay, so 28 goes into 168. Let me think about this. Well, I know I need it to end in an 8. 8 times what ends in 8? Ooh, I got an idea. 8 times 6. Okay, so 8 times 6 is 58. I'm going to carry that 5. 6 times 2 is 12, plus 5 is 17. What did I do wrong? 48. 6 times 8 is 48. 48. 6 times 2 is 12, plus the 4 is 168. Did I make a mistake? Absolutely. Did I catch myself? Yes. And I fixed it. That's called learning. Even I learn. So, 83, 95, and 86. Those are your answers. I hope this helped you figure out and remember the pattern. Don't be afraid of big numbers. You got this. And because 6th period would not let me live if I didn't do it, don't forget to click like, subscribe, hit the little notification bell. I'll see you in class tomorrow.